What is up, you guys? Back at it again with another video. Today I will be installing my tires, my Federal RS Pros. I got these at R Compound Tires, as well as I might just be freaking doing this tie bar and these rear toe arms back here. As some of you guys know, if you guys have been watching the videos, I have my track day, which is at Willow Springs, and I have not started like any of the prep yet. So today we'll be installing these, getting these tires off. You can see they're just like whatever tires, street tires. I'm expecting them to freaking look really good since, like, you guys could see this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it doesn't look too pretty. So let's get started.
You are now listening to the following Souls production.
These are the two stock wheels. These are the 245s, and then these are the 255s. As you can see, it's quite a difference. I don't know if that's gonna be good or not. Hopefully it'll mount up. They're just the stock wheels, but I've seen on the forums that they run 285s, I believe, on the stock wheels, which is freaking insane. No, not 285s, 275s, which just falls in the middle, so I'm sure it'll be good. So, yeah, I don't, should I do it? Fuck it. I hope this is the right way to do this. Really not sure. Oh, I just cracked my back. Holy tight. Oh my gosh. And to be honest, I don't know if that thing goes. I'm just gonna keep that like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and take care of this bolt using a 17mm and a 19mm wrench to hold the back end, and then just back the bolt out. I don't know if it messes with the alignment, but I'm getting an alignment anyway since I'm doing these rear arms, and depending on how early I get done, I might just knock them out right now. So yeah, just I'll catch you guys right now. Alright, so I got the bar in. I just need to thread these in and then tighten them up. Dude, I've had this bar for like I don't even know. I've had it for probably like 3 months already. I haven't put it in. I've just been super lazy. But this thing looks pretty cool. I don't really like the color, but makes it pop. Paired up with the bell differential brace. You guys saw that video. Hopefully, if not, check it out. But yeah, pretty straightforward. Just a ratchet. I can't even talk. A ratchet and a wrench. Hold on to it, and then yeah, just tighten it up, and then we'll be done. So everything's ready to go. I'm about to just go get some food inside and then head out to the tire shop. Rip. Dude, honestly, these tires, like, they were almost at their wear marker, pretty much, so it was time. All set to go. Alright, so we're here at the tire shop. The homie is hooking it up. I think he already mounted one. He said like 15 minutes, so he's hooking it up. So I brought him some lunch, and yeah, so stay tuned. He said 15 minutes. Like I said, I have my haircut appointment at 1, so I don't want to be late to that because, you know, quarantine and a haircut. Look at this, bro. This shit's all messed up. But I might just get the oil and oil filter another day because I need to pick up my grandma after this, or no, after my haircut, and I don't want to be late to my haircut appointment because there's no barbers open, so I don't want to miss my only appointment that I have. But yeah, I mean, 15 minutes. I already heard the bead on one tire, or like that big old pop. So yeah, catch you guys right now that they're all done. Sheesh. Here they are. Fuck. This shit's like sick as fuck. Holy, they're heavy. Damn, they're way heavier.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, fuck that. Yo, these things look freaking mean. Once again, shout out to the homie. Alright, so I'm back home. I already got them. I'm only gonna test fit them on the wheels because one of my lug nuts looks like it's gonna strip, so I don't want that to be the case. So I'm just gonna wait and get them done, or get new ones. Yo, that looks freaking sick. Now they're on here, and they look fucking really good. I don't know if it's gonna touch in here, this strut right here, but we'll find out once we're going. I kept the other wheels just in case it doesn't clear, but it should. But overall, this thing looks freaking sick. Then of course, alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I just got the tires on and that little tie bar, but like I was saying, these things look freaking sick. Like, yo, that looks dope. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it on the jack stands just because I want to get that bolt. I want to get the lug nut just so it doesn't strip out on me. Better to catch it now than to freaking have it strip out on me on the track or something if I need to take off my wheel for some reason. Thank you guys for watching, and I will post the next video. I'll post this video as soon as I get it out. But dang, whose favorite view is this now, huh? No more slipping in between freaking gear shifts and anything. No more losing traction off a dig. Ooh, bruh, I'm like in love with this again. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to do these another day. Thank you guys for watching.